Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at an electric spice metallic 2016 Ford Edge Sport, stock number 18F439A. You have front-facing sensors here. The hood is in excellent shape. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a 21-inch Scorpion tire. Inside you've got a power sunroof, and there is a black upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Edge. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual exhaust here. You have backup sensors on the bumper. There is a backup camera. You've got a power liftgate, so it's as easy as the push of one button to get that trunk open and closed. As you can see, it is very clean inside. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, and you do have a set of carpeted floor mats back here. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. There are keypad entry buttons on the driver's side door. On the inside of the door, you have buttons here for your memory seating. You have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and all-weather floor mats. And taking a step inside, there is a push-button start here. On the left of the steering wheel, you do have cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. And then coming over to the center, you've got this great touchscreen display here. As you can see, this is equipped with navigation. This is also where your backup camera will display. There is a CD player and an AM/FM radio. Coming down underneath of that, you can see there's a Sony premium audio system. You have additional audio controls as well as dual climate controls and buttons here for heated and cooled front row seating. There are 2 USB ports. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You do have a 2.7-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 27 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Edge or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.